Okay, good afternoon. It is Thursday, April 26th, 3:04 p.m. Markets are almost closed, but let me tell you something, kiddos. Amazon didn't beat. It took the pants off the market and spanked it. I'm telling you what, 51 billion in revenue versus a 49.78 billion estimate. Earnings per share $3.27 versus $1.26 estimate. This is huge. It is huge. It's already up like 10% after hours. Just shot the whole NQ just shot up. Um, I got to tell you this market is on fire. We had a number that came out this morning. It had to do with the trade gap, and for the first time in like forever, it was the best number, showing that that trade gap is narrowing. And I will show you what that number was. Just give me 1 second. Goods trade balance minus 68 billion, estimated it at minus 74 billion, but this was the actually lowest print in the history that I have. Um, I can't find a better print. So I go back a couple of years, and so very, very good, strong, and that means that GDP for tomorrow morning should be better than expected. They're finally showing those trade balance prints, and that's what Trumponomics is trying to do, is narrow that trade gap, boost our GDP. But what we're seeing with these earning blowout on the first quarter is a manifestation of the Tax Act, and it's the repatriation of those jobs and money coming back on our shore. So, woohoo! I'm telling you what, Amazon. So, the market flew up. Let's take a look at this on a 5 minute, and you can see just the last minute of the last 5 or 10 minutes of the market, how high this just shot up, just huge. And so we'll look for positive trading tomorrow going into the US session for sure. Um, we made it back to the middle of the channel. Thank God. We were down here on the EMA 200. So for those of you who were venturous and bought into this very, very bearish head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, good job. I'm sure you'll be going out for a nice dinner tonight. And I want to see it get to the top of the channel and keep climbing on these earnings. So I'd like to see some carry through in the Asia session and in the European session, and absolutely some follow through to come back to our volatility level up here just at 7,200. So other than that, we had a nice slow up day today. It was a small range until this number came out, and then I mean, just exploded. So we had some fits and starts, but with the linear regression, you can see the overall trend was long until the very end of the session, and then we got the number. And how you can trade it is you can, trade these normally like tick for tick, getting in and out, or you can just hold it and trail it. And what I like to do is put it on all. And when it's printing on all, that means that it's likely to be directionally trading. And I can go inside the smaller tick bars and take my triggers, take the middle trigger, for instance, here. I'll put this on a snap mode, stay in draw mode. There you go. Here, here, there, and then trade it back to the trajectory and either trail it or just take one-on-one, getting it up, get out, wait for it to come back, get back in, get out. So those, we picked off several of those this morning in the trade room. Just very simple, very easy. Um, of course, you can get it. You have to be careful that if you choose to trade the 21, you're going to get a lot of triggers. So you'll be getting in and out a lot more. I'm of the opinion that I just like the 50s or the 89s, because then you can truly trade these outliers and get the most profit for the least amount of risk. And that's when it's trading directionally. And how do I know it's trading directionally? Well, I have my weekly, daily 60-15. I've got my momentum. I've got my linear regression trend. I know if I'm above the prior day range. I know if I'm outside of 15-minute range. I have a lot of information on my dashboard, and I can just trade it up at that time. So, and especially with linear regression, like I said, you can see what the overall trend direction is and then just elect to trade it when all of the linear regression bands are printing in the same direction at the same time. And that's pretty good indication that these are going to work. Has been working so far. So come check us out in the trade room and or pick up a template before June 1st. The price is going to go up, or, if you want, wait till July or the end of June, mid-June. I'll just make a little bit more in the template. That's okay. Doesn't bother me. So thank you so much. And again, I've had to raise my rates. It's been what, 18 months since I've had a price increase. So I'm changing over to the Ninja 8. Everyone who gets in now will automatically get the 8 license when I transfer it over. So you're all good on that. It's just that I have a few things that I have to take care of, increase my costs a little bit. So I'm passing those along. You know how it works. So thank you so much. We will talk to you soon, and good luck tomorrow on that GDP report. Thank you. Bye bye.